about the biomedical engineering design course is that you're given 30 different projects and you're able to select from one of those ideas and then really you to develop that from start to finish.
First design project was working on a way to organize IV lines.
Redesigning the controls on a hospital bed so you can control the velocity and so the controls are more intuitive.
Be able to monitor food intake and blood sugars in people that are obese or have diabetes.
A pill dispenser, and we called it the pill pilot.
To come up with a way to micro-encapsulate certain hormone-releasing cells that would ultimately be injected in the body.
The cauterizing forceps used in brain surgery.
When we worked on a new suture needle that was not sharp after it was used in the body during surgery.
Developing a physical model for cerebral spinal fluid flow throughout the brain.
It's creating a hyperpolarized helium and oxygen ventilator.
Measure the ambient temperature in a football helmet so that you can try to relate that temperature to heat stroke.
Working on design projects teaches you to think on your feet and be creative. And when you're out in the real work world, your project may change halfway or 2/3 the way through, and you're going to have to deal with it and produce a product for your client. And you get the same thing in design projects.
I really felt that it set me apart in all the interviews that I had with potential employers because I was able to show examples. I'd bring in pictures, I'd bring in graphs, I'd bring in models that I made, and it just demonstrated the value of the design program.
That's where I really applied all of that knowledge to tackle a real-world problem. Where you're working for a client, you're designing under constraints, under a certain budget, certain dimensions. It has to look a certain way or be light enough to carry, all those kinds of things. And these are real people in the community who have a problem, and we're helping them improve the quality of someone's life.